I get asked this question a few times a month. My ex, my boyfriend, my girlfriend, my brother, my mother, whoever has access and control of my Google account. What can I do? Fix it. Look, if it's your Google account, hopefully you have the ability to log into your Google account, and then hopefully you can take the right actions to fix this. Let me show you what I'm talking about. You're going to want to log in to your Google account, i.e. log into Gmail. Once you've logged into Gmail, you're going to want to go to myaccount.google.com. Let me repeat, myaccount.google.com. Here it is right here. Now, once you're in myaccount.google.com, what I recommend you do is this. I recommend you go to security and you come down here and you look at the devices and you look at manage these devices right here. And when you see a device that is not yours, you're pretty sure it's not yours, what I recommend you do is click on this arrow right here. And then I recommend that you remove this device. Don't recognize something, sign out on that device. Sign out of it because it's not your device. Do that for each device that you see under this page, your devices, for each device that you see that does not appear to be yours. Even if it is yours, you can always log back in. Then here's the next thing you do. By the way, don't log out of the device that says your current session. You're on that machine right now. Then the next thing you must do to get your ex or your boyfriend or your girlfriend so that they can't get back into your Google account is do this. Number one, change your password. When you change your password, you have the option to remove devices or force a login on all the devices. You may want to do that just so you make sure you've got all the devices that are not yours off. It's going to force you to log back in on your cell phone and your iPad and your tablet, etc., etc. But that's okay. Better safe than sorry. Once you change your password, turn on two-factor verification. Make sure if you're using SMS or text messaging, make sure it's to your phone number, not someone else's. I recommend you use the Google Authenticator app. Then what I recommend you do is make sure you have the two-step verification phone numbers. Again, make sure they're yours, not someone else's. Put a recovery phone number. Make sure it's yours, not someone else's. Do a recovery email address. I repeat, make sure it's your recovery email address, not someone else's. And lastly, make a copy of the backup codes. Save those somewhere so you can get to them in the event you need to. How do you get your ex, your boyfriend, your girlfriend out of your Google account? Kick them out of the device, kick their devices out, and do these steps. Change the password, enable two-step verification, enables phone recovery and email recovery. That is how you kick them out of your Google account. I wish you all the best.